Hey guys, it's Matt. Today we're doing the install of the black wood cup holder made for Super 73 bikes. This is by Twowheelstudios, and basically it's just kind of going to work right in here. It's made from pineapple leather and birchwood. You can see kind of like this is where the cup will kind of sit into place. It has this, it fits on the handlebar. So we're going to do an install here. This one's going to be very quick. The tool that it requires is a 4mm tool, which I think is really nice. And I kind of like that it's pineapple leather, so they give you like this little fixture, which it's attaching here. I don't know if you're supposed to keep that, but I'm going to keep that. And another thing I'm going to try to do is try not to drop anything, because I feel like I am going to drop something. That's okay if I do. Actually, I'm going to remove that screw point, because we're just going to start with the top and slowly kind of like turn in. We're going to do like a soft, sorry if my hand's in the way, but we're going to do like a soft turn so that kind of stays on here. And again, we know that this kind of little pineapple tree fixture is at the top, or is it just like a palm tree? And then we're going to do the same thing with the bottom piece. And then kind of once we have things in, it's going to be great just to literally turn this. This is going to be like an install that takes literally seconds. If you're doing this, and if you're not me and talking and all that, that's really, really quick. But again, I like this so much because I do carry drinks with me. And a lot of the time I've been carrying like these water bottles that I hang from the handlebars. Like they don't always work. But with this, it allows me to have a traditional, maybe coffee cup, drink cup, lid, maybe even without a lid, and it's gonna be like secure on there. So that was it. That was literally it. Let's take a look at how it looks. So what this does, it takes this space up almost perfectly. If you mount this nice and in the center, you're not gonna be hitting the sides here, you're not gonna be hitting the sides here. The wires can easily move out of the way. The only thing that I was having some reservations about, and I don't anymore, is the camera mount that I have here. So if you have something tall, it may be covering up, but this may be one of those things where I have to make a personal choice between doing this and having a cup here and having a GoPro or the DJI thing here. But either way, it works, it looks good. I got blue because it accents the flex basket that we have here, if you want to check out the other video that I showed doing the install for that. But again, all you need is that 4mm tool, and you're fine with this. By the way, for the flex basket, it's a 3mm tool. This is the tool I use. It's just like a bike multi-tool. And that's it. It's really easy to get there, and I love that I have this functionality without removing any of the other functionality that I had. Anyway, guys, if you have any comments or questions, put in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at creativenyc2025@gmail.com. Thank you, guys. I will see you next time.